I'm using a gizmo here that I made to put fuel in my welder years ago. I've used it for the all-terrain forklift. It'd be really nice for a farm tractor. If you gotta put fuel in something like this with a funnel or with gas cans, you know it's a slow process, it's messy, it's a hassle. You can make one of these out of different things. This one's made out of an old gas can. But you can see what's happening here. I was able to just dump her in there. And now I can kick back and let her roll. Let her do her thing. Of course, you gotta watch it. Make sure you don't put more fuel in there than what the machine can hold, but I tell you, I use that for the all-terrain forklift. I've always used it on this welding machine when I was adding fuel. If I'm not going to a fuel stop, be really nice for a farm tractor or anything you can set that up on, especially if it's something that takes quite a bit of fuel. Pretty slick trick.